If you're a chicken wing lover, you want to watch this video. Welcome to TJ Made It. It's another video. Today we are going to be making some simple chicken wings. Crispy, flavorful, simple, quick chicken wings. Okay? That's what we're going to be doing today. I hope you all are doing great. I hope the week is treating you good. I hope your family is well. And if you are going through some difficult time, just know that God got you and we are praying for you. And when I say we, there are a lot of people that pray for people they don't know. I'm one of those people. So yes. Yes, welcome to Teacher Made It. And if you are new, hi, welcome to my page. I hope you find something on here that you like. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down in the comment section below. We'd like to hear from you. And yeah, so today I'm making these chicken wings. Let's see here. I already have it like seasoned and everything, but I'm gonna tell you what I put in there for the seasoning because you know your food gotta be seasoned. See, the chicken wings is all seasoned very well. So let me tell you what I have in here. So for the seasoning, I have salt, garlic powder, a little bit of paprika, salt-free seasoning, some black pepper, things like that. So those are really all the things that I put in there to make it, have that flavor that, my food gotta have. This is TJ Made It. We need to have flavor in our food. We don't play about flavor over here. So absolutely. Well, let's get cooking. I have my skillet on the stove that I'm going to turn on. Add some oil in there, vegetable oil. Don't matter what oil. You can use whatever oil you prefer to, fry your food. We're going to come over here and start frying this wing. It's so quick and so easy. And I just have some celery over here that I am going to use just to eat my wings with. And yeah, ain't nothing much happening. So this is just a quick little video for you guys to see how I make a quick, simple, easy chicken wings. So I have my heat to medium, and I'm just adding some oil in here. You can have your heat to whatever amount you want to have it to. Put a reasonable amount of oil in there so you can be able to fry the wings. So I put it on medium because I want the wings to actually cook well, slowly, because just because the outside look all crispy and stuff, sometimes the inside of the wings don't be too cooked. Now, if you're the type of person that like medium rare with your food, meaning you want a little bit of blood in there, I guess that work for you. I don't, so I make sure that stuff is cooked all the way. That's why I have it on medium rare, so it can take its time to cook. We're just gonna let the oil heat up a little bit, and hopefully having an amazing day with your family. Today is Saturday on my side, so whenever this video meets you, it probably wouldn't be on a Saturday. So my oil is ready. I'm pretty sure it's hot, so it's hot enough. So I'm gonna start frying the wings. In there, make sure they're not stacked on top of each other to be able to do this. I don't know. I have a question. Am I the only one that... I know I'm not the only one. I don't like to use air fryer. I hope I'm not the only one. But if I am, it's okay. I don't like to use air fryer. I'd rather fry my food. I don't have a problem with air fryer, but I don't know. Me personally, I don't like air fryer, and I don't think it tastes the same. So I'd rather fry my food like in the actual oil. I don't know. Tell me if I'm the only one. Maybe because I'm pretty sure there's some committed air fryer people out here. Like they don't do anything without an air fryer. I'm not one of those people. I know somebody who is. My lovely, 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 lovely friend. I know. That's one of the air fryer crew. Okay? Alright, so I make sure I put all the wings in there. I think is like either 12 pieces of wings, so I didn't need to fry them into separate batches. It fits, not stalking on top of each other, so it looks perfectly fine. Now I'm gonna just let that cook slowly, and we'll come back and turn it around. Once it has cooking on the other side, then we'll flip it around, make sure the other side cook. Again, put the heat to a lower temperature so the wings can cook on the inside very well. That's why I have it like that. But yeah, while we got the wings going, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my celery. Yeah. There's not any other side that I'm eating this with besides this. Turning my wings over. Make sure the other side is cooked. Please take this recipe, make it your own, and enjoy it. Guys, so you can get you a nice crispy wings. I might need this. I'll be cleaning when I'm cooking because I don't get stuff around this thing. Yeah. But yeah, so right now, I say we'll give it another 2 minutes. Then when we come back, we're going to flip it again on the other side. But this side looks so crispy and it looks so delicious and juicy. I can't wait to eat these. The wings is looking good. The wings is looking good. So, okay, I have a question, right? Those of you that cook wings and like wings, do you guys put flours on your wings, on your chicken, period? I don't like putting flour on my chicken. I don't know. I don't know. It's just, I prefer it plain. I don't like flour on it. Let me know in the comment section below if you put flour on your chicken or not. When you cook it, no, I don't like flour on the chicken. And like, no, I feel like, how am I gonna really taste it? Yes, you can season the flour and stuff like that. Yeah, I get all that. But like, no, I feel like the flour is taking away from my chicken. Have you gone to like a fast food place and then you butter chicken and it's all flour and to get to the actual chicken is a bunch of flour? I see that. I don't like that. That's why I don't do flours on my chicken. Yeah, no, I don't like flour on my chicken. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys do put flour on your chicken. I know most people make their chicken that way. See, for this recipe, instead of putting flour, I put a little bit of cornstarch on it so the seasoning can hold on there. So I brought my seasoning rack over here so I can show you what I put on there for the seasoning of this. Since I never show you guys the process of what type of seasoning I put in it, because I just want the chicken wings to be seasoned very well, so I can tell you what seasoning I put in it. So I have garlic powder. I put a little bit of paprika. I put some salt, black pepper, salt-free seasoning, and I put a little bit of chicken bouillon. Yes, that's right there. It helps with the recipe. It gives it that flavor. I put a little bit of that in there, and I add the cornstarch on there, like I was saying earlier. I add a little bit of cornstarch. That's all the seasoning I put on there. That's it. Just those few list of seasoning that I add on there. That was all I add on there. Mix it very well, and then just keep it over there and have it seasoned well. And look, it looks so good right now. It looks so yummy and tasty. We're gonna move this around again. Yes. It's on medium cook because I want my wings to cook good. Especially on the inside. That's the concern. When the oil is too high, they don't really cook on the inside well. The outside be looking crispy and it looks ready, but then the inside is all bloody and stuff. So yeah, but it's coming out great and it looks good. We're gonna hurry up and get this going. Very easy. I mean, like I said, it was just supposed to be a quick recipe. I came over to show you guys. Look at that wings. Look at the crispiness. Look at that brownish, golden. That's what you want. In the inside, it's tender. It's cooked good. Not only that, but then you got you a nice golden brown, like real golden brown. This, my friend, is how I like my wings. Let me see. See that? Just like that. Soft, golden brown. Yes. So I'm gonna transfer into the thing because see that? That, my friend, again. That's how I like my wings. Okay? That's how I love my wings. But if you look at it, you see how the seasons are still coated on there. That's why I use the cornstarch on it and make sure that season stays coated on it when you fry it. And there's not a whole bunch of stuff that's left in the oil. If you look in the oil is still clear. That's why I don't use flour. That's okay. Yeah, that's another thing. That's the reason I don't use flour, because then it's all burned in the middle. The pot is in the bottom and all the oil. No, I don't. That's why I don't use. One of the reasons I don't use flour. I just like to fry my chicken wings plain without any flour. But if you do like flour, there's nothing wrong with that. It's just I don't like how some people put so much flour in the chicken wings. Yeah, but yeah, my chicken wings are all ready to go. Wow. I mean, it's just so crispy, well cooked. Yes, well cooked on the inside. Because I don't do medium rare. It's just me. I don't do medium rare. But yeah, I'm gonna grab this last piece and my chicken wings. Wow, do you see how crispy that looks? Oh my goodness! My wings are all ready. Do you see how beautiful this looks? Look at the crispiness of this. It's very crispy. This is a perfect summer side, you can have as a side snack or something. Just chew, lick your fingers. It's so tasty. It's so seasoning well. You can see all the seasonings are still on there, and it's very, very crispy. Very crispy. Like you can hear it. Crispiness. So good. It's so easy, so simple. And like I said, you still have your seasoning on there because when I did it, I make sure I add some cornstarch, so then that leaves the seasoning on there. So your wings still got flavor and still got seasoning with each bite that you take. But yeah, you guys, this is how I make a simple, easy chicken wings, okay? Not too hard, not too much. It don't take that long. And then, of course, I have some vegetables on the side with some ranch dressing that I'm going to dip it in because, like I said, I like to eat mine with some ranch dipping. I'm not doing spicy sauce. This is perfect. Can't wait to tear into this. But let's do a taste test real quick before I get out of here, so I can kind of show you on the inside of the wings. You see in there is literally, look at that. Well done on the inside, but it's still fluffy. I gotta taste this. It's hot. Mmm. Wow. Oh my goodness, that tastes so good. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Just like that. Wow. That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching TJ Made It. I hope to see you again in my next video. Thank you, thank you. I hope you actually enjoy this recipe, and I hope you get to try and make it. If you're somebody that loves chicken wings and you just want to make you a quick, easy chicken wing, I hope you get to try it. And let me know when you do make it. Let me know how you like it. Like I said, if you have any questions about the seasoning, I will definitely post the seasoning on the video so you guys can know the seasoning I add on here. Just in case, if you actually really need it step by step, so you can season your chicken wing very good and have a tasty wings. But this is it. This is all for now. Thank you all so much for watching TJ Made It. I hope to see you again in my next video. God bless you. Stay safe out there. And yes, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TJ Made It. Don't forget to subscribe to the page. And see you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye, y'all.